Bakit kaya? Bakit ka ba naghihintay? Nahimukin pa, pilitin pa ng tadhana. Alam mo na kung bakit nagkakaganyan. Lumulutang, nasasayang ang buhay mo at ang ibinubulong ng iyong puso. Natutulog ba ang Diyos? Natutulog ba? At ikaw ba'y kaagad sumusuko? Kunting hirap at munting pagsubok lamang. Bakit ganyan? Nasaan ang iyong tapang? Natutuwag, nawawalan ng pag-asa at iniisip na natutulog pa. Natutulog ba ang Diyos? Natutulog ba? Sikapin mo, pilitin mong tibayan ang iyong puso. Tanging ikaw ang huhubog sa iyong bukas. Huwag mo sanang akalain, natutulog ba ang Diyos? Ang buhay mo ay mayroong halaga sa Kanya. Dapat nga ba na ikaw ay maghintay at himukin pa, pilitin pa ng tadhana? Gawin mo na kung ano ang nararapat. Magsikap ka at magtiwala sa may kapal. Nakahanda ang Diyos umalalay sa'yo. Hinihintay ka lang, kaibigan. Sikapin mo, pilitin mo, tibayan ang iyong puso. Tanging ikaw ang huhubog sa iyong bukas. Huwag mo sanang akalain, natutulog ba ang Diyos? Ang buhay mo ay mayroong halaga sa Kanya.
Alright, that was Jude Laros all the way from Sagdahan, Tacloban City. Natutulog ba ang Diyos? Grabe.
Hi, Jude.
Oo, Jude, kumusta naman? Are you okay?
Ay, magkakasarap
Dito
ka.
tayo. Wow. Umatas ka, baka mahulog ka dyan. Kumusta naman, Jude?
Okay lang, medyo na okay na ako ngayon.
Okay ka na. Oo.
Kinabahan
Bakit
ka
ba?
ba?
Medyo, syempre.
Oo.
Jude, may question ako. Bakit natutulog pa ang Diyos? Why choose that song?
Kasi that song is very inspirational song, and I think that's powerful song for all for contest piece.
Yes, kasi
Wow.
sabi nga nila, Dr. Leoncio, na yung choice of song is, it
Oh,
matters din sa
napaka-importante
contest.
talaga. Which
And
is,
it has to
okay
be
naman
your,
yung kinanta
ano,
niya, right?
Nakaka-relate naman daw siya. According nga kay it's a powerful song.
Anyway,
Yes.
dito may mga fans natin, mga relatives, mga
Sino
supporters.
kasama mo, Jude?
Hello po sa mga
Jude?
sa makeup artist ko.
Oh,
Hi,
family mo,
tsaka
dito
si
ba?
Kerming.
What about their
And,
families here? They're here?
Mga
Wala.
friends po from Barangay 62B.
Hello sa inyo dyan,
And-
mga taga-Sagkahan.
To my Raihak Bandi family, kay Kuya Ricky Gakutno. Hello po kay sa mga choir mates ko na nandito ngayon. Hello po.
Hello sa inyo, welcome po. Alright.
Yes. Actually, DJ Carlos Miguel,
Okay.
kayo palang kumanta ni Jude ng ibang boses, di ba?
Oo,
Kasi when
kasi
he was interviewed
obviously,
during sa
tinanong-
station, she was singing using, a voice, a female, parang soprano
voice,
siya
so
doon.
soprano.
Yes.
Kaya
Ang galing pala
na-confuse nga
talaga
ako
ni Jude.
kanina.
Okay.
Miss,
Alright.
Anyways, Go.
Hindi, yung judge natin, ano
Okay.
masasabi niya sa performance
Okay.
ni Jude Vincent?
Yes, si Mr. Dr. Yonso Olobia, sorry. What can you say about the performance of Mr. Jude, sir?
Hello, good evening. Kumusta ka na,
Yun din
Jude?
po. Okay lang po,
I
medyo...
think I've seen you
nakarelieve
somewhere.
na po.
I've seen you somewhere in Tacloban perform. Anyway, you have a very massive sound. It's your sound is whole. It's already a package, you know, and the amplification is very massive also. Just be careful if you go through this round and you proceed to the next one. You also try to control, no, control your volume, no, because the song is very emotional. To establish a very effective emotional singing, no, it has to be musical also. So learn also to appreciate the softness, especially in the verses when you're starting with the song. You appreciate the quiet sound, no? Okay, so I like your facial expression, no? And the high notes are delivered with conviction. You're committing to the high notes. So those are plus points, no? You have a very strong voice, and it's what in a competition you have to highlight that strength. However, you have to, yun nga, yung sinasabi ko, learn to control also so that there will be differences, no, and textures, timbre in music. Overall, your performance is very good. Thank you, and
Thank
my
you, sir.
advance congratulations.
Alright, anong masasabi natin sa comment ni Sir Olobia?
Thank you so much, sir. I will take note of those tips or advices, and I've learned today. Thank you po.
Alright, thank
Alright,
you.
thank you, Jude Vincent Clara, Sabsagahan, Tacloban City.
Next.
Alright.
Grabe, ganun pala yun. May